he was looking for a soul to steal. He was in a bind, he was way behind, he was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young man, saw on a fiddle and a playing it hot. And the devil shoved him on a hickory stump and said, boy, let me tell you what. I bet you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I'm gonna fiddle of gold against your soul, 'cause I think I'm better than you. The boy said, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet you're gonna regret, 'cause I'm the best he's ever been. Johnny running up your road and playing a fiddle home. Tell the goose in Georgia and the devil will be home. If you win, you get this shiny little roll of gold, but if you lose, the devil gets your soul. Up his bow, and he pulled the bow across the streams and it made the eagle hiss. Then a band of demons joined in and it sounded something like this.